So my friend, what are you trying to do now?
Okay, I'm trying to calibrate this pressure gauge.
Okay.
The range is 0 to 16 bar.
0 to
16 bar, 0 to 16 bar.
is that the design? That's the design pressure.
Yes.
0 to 16 bar for this particular one.
And this is the standard.
The stand. Okay. The master gauge. Okay. That equipment you're using, what is it? The hand pump. Okay. So is it this hand pump that is generating up to 150 bar?
Yeah, this one can also go 150 bar.
Okay.
But the pressure I measured that day was the nitrogen cylinder.
Okay.
But this one also can go up to 150 bar.
Okay.
There are some pressure gauge. There are some pressure gauge that is 100 bar at the export manifold.
Yeah.
That we have calibrated.
Go straight to 5 so that you can see. Go straight to 5.
Okay.
Check this one.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
align.
Okay. If the two must align.
Yes.
As soon as the two align, it means this gauge is okay.
Yes.
Okay.
If you look now, look at this gauge now. It's at 5.
That's 5 bar.
That's
Look at this one, it's at 5 bar.
Yeah. Okay.
Tell you
Perfect.
that's
Perfect.
So let me do 10 switches.
Do 10.
And you said the design pressure is what?
0 to 16 bar.
0 to 16 bar. So you go until it's up to 16.
Yes.
Okay. So the pressure, the design pressure is always crested on the body, eh?
Yes.
Oh.
Come close. You see.
Okay. Fantastic.
You can see. Even on 0 to 1 bar.
Okay. 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 Okay.
This is 10 bar.
Okay. It's a little above 10 now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It's okay.
This one is more than 10. This one is more than a little above 10.
Now go to 12. Let me see.
There's what we call tolerance.
Okay. Yeah.
This is electronics.
Okay.
This is pneumatic.
So the electronics must be much more precise. Yeah.
0.1% is negligible.
0.1 is negligible. I agree with you. So you go from one stage to the another. You don't go straight to the 16.
Instrumentation calibration standard is 4
4-point calibration. Okay. If it is 100 bar, you do 25, 25, 25.
Yes.
If it is 10 bar, you do 2.5, 2.5. Oh, fantastic.
And that's how it goes in percentage.
In percentage, yeah. Okay. Are you releasing already?
Yes.
I thought when you get to that 16, you will hold it down for some seconds to see whether it will drop. So that in case there's leakage in this particular one now, that's where you will know if you hold it. Just as we do the hydro test. You understand? When we do hydro test, we hold for some seconds to see if there will be drop in pressure.
That's the practice. That's the standard practice.
So now, since it is calibrated since it is designed for 0 to 16 bar, when you get to 16, you stop. If you go above that, it will affect it will damage it. Okay. So that's about. Okay, this is already 16 bar now. Yeah, 15.6, which is approximately 16. Okay, just hold it a little bit. Hold it. This one is dropping. Why is it dropping? Is this supposed to be dropping? Okay, but if it's not leaking, it's not supposed to drop. Okay. Okay, you're the compressor. Okay. But so long as the pressure for the two of them remains constant, there's no disparity. Okay.